Your largest operational cost is no longer a fixed expense. It is your greatest untapped opportunity for margin expansion. SVIZONA Industrial Solutions presents a breakthrough in HVAC efficiency, engineered to deliver an average 20% reduction in power overhead. In the UAE, energy is a significant financial liability. Air conditioning isn't just a utility, it accounts for 60% to 70% of the total energy consumption in commercial and industrial assets. Without intervention, this remains a volatile variable that erodes your net operating income. This is a matter of fiscal resilience. Between rising generation costs, tiered pricing structures, and the UAE 2050 mandates, the cost of inaction is rising. Proactive efficiency is now a strategic requirement to safeguard your bottom line and meet institutional ESG commitments. SVIZONA brings you a patented global solution designed to master the UAE climate. Since 2017, we have helped partners slash energy use and extend the life cycle of their capital assets, transforming existing equipment into high-efficiency machines. SVIZONA HVAC Solutions device is a 100% mechanical, static, passive solution. By optimizing refrigerant states at the molecular level, it maximizes heat absorption and rejection. This technology is protected by 7 patents, ensuring technical reliability matches your financial expectations. Our solution is engineered for high-performance reliability with zero added energy load. Because it has no moving parts and requires no maintenance, it is a fit-and-forget asset. It is compatible with systems from 1.5 to 500 tons, ensuring a standardized efficiency rollout across your entire portfolio. The impact is measured in real-world ROI. We improve HVAC efficiency by approximately 20%, leading to smarter building management. Beyond the power bill, you see an extension in equipment longevity and a reduction in emergency maintenance downtime, providing a holistic boost to your operations. We have removed the CapEx barrier. Our pay-from-savings model allows you to start with minimal upfront investment. You pay for the solution through a portion of the verified energy savings. With a payback period typically under 3 years, this is a self-funding project that immediately improves cash flow. With over 180,000 buildings in the UAE, the scale for potential savings is immense. SVIZONA HVAC Solutions aligns your operations with the UAE Energy Strategy 2050, empowering you to hit national sustainability targets while significantly lowering your energy overhead. We act as your end-to-end partner in efficiency, from site evaluation and design to installation and long-term service agreements. Our in-house experts ensure your satisfaction. We handle the technical complexities so you can focus on the financial results. Don't let your HVAC costs remain a financial liability. Contact SVIZONA Industrial Solutions today for a complimentary site evaluation to calculate your specific potential for savings. Let's work together to cut your costs while maintaining your comfort.